In today's video, I'll be giving my honest and unbiased review of Coursiv.io. You should watch this video before using it. Coursiv is an online platform that offers courses on AI and other modern digital skills on demand. It provides practical knowledge in areas like social media marketing, content creation, and more. You can simply search for this course on Google and they will ask you some questions about yourself. After entering your details, it will show you a page to get started. Coursiv offers the opportunity to master new skills that can help you boost your income. It will assist you in discovering new digital professions and income sources, allowing you to learn the latest tools to increase your productivity. They offer various plans, such as a 1-week plan for less than $7 and a 4-week plan for around $420. They also have a money-back guarantee. You'll gain access to high-income freelancing skills, beginner-friendly lessons, comprehensive skill-enhancing courses, and tools that can boost your work. Additionally, there is 24/7 online support. However, there are also numerous complaints from users. While some provide positive feedback, stating that they have successfully applied what they learned in professional tasks, such as content creation and business analysis, others have raised concerns about subscription policies, including automatic billing without clear communication. Many have reported issues with getting refunds or canceling subscription. To get a better understanding and search for Coursiv reviews, the first website you may find is Trustpilot. If you scroll down, you'll also find Quora, where you can read opinions and reviews from people who have used the service. By reading those comments, you can decide if it's good for you or not. People have mixed opinions. Some say it's beneficial for learning freelancing and AI tools, while others find it expensive. However, since it offers a 1-week trial for only $7, I think you can try it out to see if it's right for you. So, this was the review of Coursiv.io.